At Newton School of Technology, Bangalore, we are not just teaching you tech. We are putting you right in the heart of India's Silicon Valley, where every day you're surrounded by India's top tech startups and companies. This is not just a campus. This is where learning meets the real world. Here are some major unique things that are coming up on the campus and will actually complement your growth journey. This is where you will build actual products, from AI models to robots. The lab is going to be equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, which will ensure that you have everything you need to brainstorm, innovate, build, fail, and rebuild again. Hi, I'm Saurabh Kumar, and I lead your experience at Newton School of Technology. My goal is to make your journey impactful and ensuring that you get the right exposure, helping you start your own student clubs and organizing unforgettable fests throughout the next 4 years of your journey. At Newton School of Technology, Bangalore, we are not just teaching you tech. We are putting you right in the heart of India's Silicon Valley, where every day you're surrounded by India's top tech startups and companies. The kind that you want to work for or compete with. This is not just a campus. This is where learning meets the real world. Well, the campus is spread across more than 4 acres. It blends modern infrastructure with lush greenery. A calm, focused space right in the middle of Bangalore's bustling innovation hub. Here are some major unique things that are coming up on the campus and will actually complement your growth journey. This isn't your regular lab. This is where you will build actual products, from AI models to robots. The lab is going to be equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, which will ensure that you have everything you need to brainstorm, innovate, build, fail, and rebuild again. Some of the things that will include computer vision cameras with edge AI processing, neural processing units, drone development for platforms, AI-powered imaging systems, 3D printers, scanners, laser cutters, soldering kits, and power tools. It's a full-scale Genesis makerspace designed for real-world creation. Well, we will have AI-enabled classrooms and practical labs that are tech-first by design. They aren't stuck in the past. They are built to keep up with how the tech world moves and to facilitate personalized learning for you. These will include collaborative layouts where you don't just listen, you present, prototype, and problem solve. Spaces where AI and emerging tools are part of your daily learning. Setups designed for interaction, demos, and real-time problem solving. All in all, your classrooms are designed to match the pace of the tech industry. There is an on-campus incubator to give a head start to your entrepreneurship dreams. If you have an idea that solves a real problem, something that could help build the nation, will help you take it to the world. NST's in-house incubator offers 3 things: mentorship from real founders, early stage funding connects, demo days with industry leaders. Because it's simple, you shouldn't have to wait till your graduation to have your own startup. Our dining space is more than just a place to eat. It's where you will sit under leafy canopies, share meals, swap ideas, jam on your projects, or simply take a moment to breathe. This will ensure you're part of a thriving community rooted in connection and green energy. The campus has lush open grounds where you can relax, study, or just go on a walk to clear your mind. In these spaces, you will live the best times of your life. You'll organize and be a part of events like outdoor jamming sessions, club activities and meetups, prep for competitions, or just quietly solve a bug under the sun. Because honestly, spaces shouldn't feel boxed in. It should help you open up. Well, life at NST isn't all about working all day. It's also about where you rest, reset, and recharge. Your twin sharing hostels are clean, functional, and come with all the essentials. So you can focus on building your next big idea. On campus, you'll find indoor games like table tennis and carom for quick break between sprints. And just a short walk away, you have access to outdoor facilities to play, move, and unwind. Because sometimes the best way to clear your head is to just step away from the screen. Here, your downtime is as thoughtfully designed as your build time. Well, this campus isn't just built for classes. It's built for all-nighters, the last-minute hackathons, the chai breaks, the pitch preps, and even the 3 a.m. breakthroughs. Here, you don't just attend an institute. You live, build, fail, win, and ultimately grow with your batchmates. This is Newton School of Technology, Bangalore.